Good morning friends, welcome to our channel TDS News. I am here with the latest news updates for you all. So let's start without wasting any time. Gas cylinder will be cremated in Hazaribagh. Municipal Commissioner took many important decisions. In Hazaribagh, Jharkhand, cremation will now take place with the gas cylinder. Hazaribagh's Municipal Commissioner Madhavi Mishra has said this during the review meeting of the development scheme operated in municipal corporation area. The Municipal Commissioner directed the commissioning of the electric crematorium in Khergaon Mukti Dham of the city, lying idle for years. DDC strict instruction, investigation and action given on PM Housing disturbance case. After the news related to the theft of PM Housing in Navodaya Panchayat and the Garhwa district has been published in Prabhat Khabar, there have been a strict the personnel of district administration to Panchayat level development commissioner Satyendra Narayan Upadhyay has written a letter to the Garhwa BDO about this and has issued a directive to investigate and take action. The central government has decided to give bonus of rupees 3,737 crore to 30.67 lakh non-gazetted employee on Wednesday, 21st October 2020. It is expected to increase demand during the festivals. Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar told reporters that in the cabinet meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it was decided to give bonus related to productivity and non-productivity for 2019 to 20. The biggest thing is that this Diwali bonus will sent immediately to the central employees account through direct benefit transfer. Trains will not run for so long on 22nd October. Actually, the railway employees have not yet received bonus due to corona infection across the country, due to which they are angry. According to the media report, these angry employees have decided to go on strike on 22nd October. According to the Railway Trade Union, they can stop trains across the country for 2 hours on October 22, for which they have threatened. Not only this, the All India Railway Men's Federation have warned of a strike all over the country. Now your work will not be hanging due to incorrect information in PAN card. The thing to know here is that if there is any wrong information in 10 number card, then your work can be stopped. Often some information get misplaced in it, either due to your mistake or it is missed by the organization that makes this card. If your PAN card also has such wrong information, then get it corrected soon. Also correct it on your own by online mode. The common man will soon get the benefit of Diwali. Modi government will pay the interest on the postponed EMI. The Modi government of the central is preparing to give the Diwali gift to the common man of the country. It is reported that during the lockdown, the government will pay the interest of the rebate given by the RBI for 6 months from the installment payment of the loan during the loan moratorium. According to the report, quoting sources in the media, a decision in this regard has been taken in the meeting of the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday. Passenger train will run on track by becoming Mail and Express. Passenger trains of South Eastern Railway will now run as Mail and Express. In order to change the trend of trains, the proposal of 36 passenger trains was sent to the Railway Board by the Deputy Railway Zone, which includes 12 passenger trains of the Chakadharpur Railway Division, on which Railway Board Deputy Director Vivek Kumar Sinha approved. Also, the converted train has been ordered to run efficiently in the new timetable. Another awesome of Reliance Jio launched new indigenous web browser. Reliance Jio has introduced its Jio Page, a mobile browser developed in India. It is available in 8 Indian languages. The company claimed that it has been designed keeping in mind the privacy of customers and will provide them a better browsing experience. It is capable of working in Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Gujarati, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada and Bengali languages apart from English. Two very cheap 4G phones launched in India. HMD Global has launched two new 4G feature phones in India. Both of these handsets, named Nokia 215 4G and Nokia 225 4G, support 4G volatile call. Nokia 215 and Nokia 225 are equally equipped with glossy finishing and hard coating. Department of Personnel admitted there was a disturbance in the promotion of STSC. There has been an irregularity in the promotion of STSC personnel in the various departments of the state government. After the information of the state, the Special Committee of the Assembly is reviewing the promotion given in various departments during the year 2002 to 19. Since 2020, officers and employees working in various departments are affected by this. Former Jharkhand Chief Minister Raghuvar Das attack on JMM and Soren's family. Former Jharkhand Chief Minister and senior BJP leader Raghuvar Das has attacked the family of the state's ruling party Jharkhand Mukti Morcha and its head. Raghuvar Das has said again Mirchi Lagi. Now the ruling party has said the same thing. The Bharatiya Janata Party Central Vice President said JMM leaders got a chilli on one word. The former chief minister said that in 2019 Lok Sabha election, the entire opposition, including Congress, JMM, keep calling Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a thief for public forum all over the country in all the states. If the word chor is parliamentary, then how is the word chota unimplementary? COVID-19 updates. In India, till now, 76,51,107 have been tested positive, from which 54,044 have been confirmed. 67,95,103 have been recovered, and a total of 1,15,914 died. Weather update. In Ranchi, temperature will almost be 21 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius and lightly foggy. Fuel prices. Petrol up to Rs 81 with an increase of 0.23 and diesel up to Rs 74.91 with an increase of 0.28. Special about today. On 22nd October 1884, International Meridian Conference in Washington adopted Greenwich Mean Time GMT worldwide, creating 24 international time zones with longitude 0 at the Greenwich Meridian. On 2008, India launches its first unmanned lunar mission Chandrayaan-1. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share.